Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to link your Nest Hub and Nest Doorbell so you can automatically view the video feed and talk to the person at the front door when they ring the bell. I will also show you how you can respond without having to speak, so make sure you stick around for that. The first thing you need to do is make sure the Nest Hub and Doorbell are both connected to the Google Home app. To do this, open the Google Home app and check that both are visible. As you can see, I can see my kitchen display, which is the Nest Hub, and my front doorbell, which is my doorbell. If you can't see one or either of them, press the plus symbol on the top left-hand corner of the screen. Press Setup Device, followed by New Devices. You will then need to follow the on-screen instructions. Now, whenever someone presses the doorbell, it will alert you.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
The system is also smart, and if you have Nest Aware, it will actually tell you the name of the person who's at the door if you've linked their face to the system. For example,
Dan is at the front door doorbell.
to do this, just go to the Home app, select your doorbell and press the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. You should then go to Events, Seen Events, and you should make sure that Familiar Face Detection is toggled on. Please remember this will only work if you have Nest Protect. Once someone has pressed the doorbell, you can talk to them by pressing the microphone. It will flash red to indicate that the microphone is live.
This is what it sounds like when someone's talking to the doorbell through the Nest Hub. Basically, this is what it looks and sounds like when someone's talking to you through a front door.
If you press the Responses button, you can leave a quick response. For example,
"Hello, you can just leave it, thanks."
you can also view the live feed at any time by touching the screen, going to Home Control, and selecting your camera. You can also use the wait command followed by show me the doorbell. For example, hey Google, show me the front door.
Sure, streaming the front door doorbell.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.